So hi guys, in this video we are going to see that how to create shortcuts or we can say alias using bash rc script. So basically what we does in Linux machine, we type a lengthy command, okay, and that gives us output. But what happens that if you don't have enough time to execute that script, and we know that script will be executed every time. So if you figure it out that uh, any command that was lengthy and it can be used multiple times in the current scenario, so you can make an alias for that command or say and shortcut, so that shortcut is equivalent to execute that lengthy command. So in that case we use alias or we can say a shortcut command to get the output. So in Linux, how to assign a small word to a lengthy command or say how to create a shortcut for a lengthy command using a bash rc script. So for that we will first get inside the script. So for getting inside the bash script we can use beam then dot bash rc, okay, and then hit enter. So this is the bash rc script, and this script is useful for creating alias and functions. So here we will mention our alias. So for creating alias we will mention alias keyword, then give a shortcut name, okay. So for example, if I want to get inside my database as an SDBA, so simply what I does, I will assign SQ shortcut to the SQL plus SSDBA command. So this SQ will be execute like the SQL plus SSDBA command works. So we simply assign this SQ as a SQL plus SSDBA. So here before mentioning the slash, we will mention the escape character, okay, so it won't get any error, okay. Again we will create a next shortcut. So for getting the status of listener, we will mention a shortcut name as a TNS. So when we hit enter on TNS, when we execute TNS, it will give us the status of the listener. Again we can give for checking the oracle is running or not, we will mention pmon, and this pmon will check the aura process. So these are our alias or say shortcut. So we are done with the creation of all shortcuts, so we can use them right now. Okay, so let's exit and save the script. Done. So for script should be execute one more time so it won't get again. Let me bash rc. Okay, done. So we have executed the script, so it will take it will take the effect, okay, after execution of bash rc. So now for let me show you the bash rc tail say 6, okay. So you can see that we have mentioned these areas, okay, in the bash rc script. Now we will execute them one by one. So first of all we will use sq, okay. So you can see that when we use sq, so it works as sql plus ssdb, okay. Again the next command, let's use tns, okay, and see that it will give us the status of the listener, okay. So no listener is running right now, okay. It is also working. Again let's try with the pmon, okay. So now let's see that it works or not, okay. So the pmon command also working. So in this way we can create an alias, permanent alias, using the bash rc script. So if you want to assign a shortcut to a lengthy command, you can use bash rc script, so it will be work. So hope guys this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.